MEA Viewer II. The MEA Viewer in Brainwave allows you to see a representation of the data collected by the biocam as a movie. Here, we can hover and click and drag to change the color threshold. By hovering over the right-hand side and clicking the lines, we can change the mode and adjust the thresholds of our scale. We can also cut out lower values by clicking and dragging, so we only have our desired pixels showing. Similarly, we can set a threshold for the upper values and cut out those, and clicking and dragging. Underneath, we can adjust the bin size, which adjusts the purple time interval window. We can also change our scale threshold. To enable the advanced settings, go to the top right of the MEA Viewer window and click the geared icon. Here we can adjust the displayed value settings. For instance, we can show from variation to the max amplitude or the energy. We can also further adjust the bin size and the scale. We can also change the color map settings. If we wish to use a different color scheme, we can click the color map and a myriad of options are available. We can also add the exponential scale or the exponential factors. Here we can also modify the lower thresholds and the upper thresholds, enabling or disabling the cutout values. In our layout settings, we can select to view the MEA as an accurate representation of the biocam chip that is currently inserted. For instance, we can choose a scheme HDMEA prime and then clicking Render Type Accurate. By zooming in, we can see that the display has now been changed to represent an accurate visualization of the way that the electrodes are spaced out on the HDMEA prime chip. Changing the MEA changes the layout as each chip has different features. Going to Appearance Settings allows us to customize the MEA Viewer display and is optimal for creating videos to be exported. Here we can choose to display or not display the MEA, and we can choose to visualize or hide different parameters, as well as different options. For instance, we can adapt the color scheme. Similarly, we can change the background colors, the borders, the frame, and the stage.